Let's pack for a Christmas Disney World trip. Guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello there. My name is Karen and I make brand new content for you guys every single week. So you should definitely be sure to hit the subscribe button down there so that you do not miss out on all of my brand new videos and shorts. Okay, you guys, today is a very exciting video. I know I kind of look bad. I don't have any makeup on or anything because I've just been packing all day. So this is my packing sweater outfit. In today's video, we are going to be packing for a Christmas Disney World trip, which I am so excited for. As you guys know, we are definitely getting very close to Christmas, so this trip is going to be a lot of fun. The decorations are already up at Magic Kingdom, and then also the Festival of the Holidays has started at Epcot. So this trip is just going to be the perfect time to get in the spirit of the holiday season. Last night I actually went through and gathered all the clothes that I want to bring on this trip, all the accessories I want to bring, like my shoes, bags I need to bring, makeup, toiletries, everything. And I'm going to use this video as kind of like a checklist just to make sure that I checked everything off my list and I have everything so that I am not forgetting anything, because that's the worst feeling. I love making pack with me videos. This one isn't too different from all the other normal ones that I make like in different months throughout the year, but there are some different things that I do want to bring on this trip just to kind of like add to the vibe of the Christmas season. So obviously I'm going to be bringing like my Christmas themed Mickey ears, and then I'm also going to be bringing some Christmas clothes that I have, and then like my Christmas slippers. Yeah, so I'm going to be taking you guys along with me today as I quickly make sure that I have everything. Without further ado, let's get right into this week's video. We're gonna be starting off this video with clothes because I feel like that's the best topic to start off with. So first off, I have these Christmas pajamas. These are satin and they just have little Santas and snowflakes on them. They're so cozy and comfortable and just the best thing to wear to sleep. So obviously I gotta bring these. This is from a store called Shades. It's like a sunglasses and casual apparel store. And last year for Black Friday, it was like if you spent $20, they give you a free t-shirt. So I got this free t-shirt last Black Friday, and it says everything looks better in shades, and then it says sunglasses and casual apparel established in 2004, and then it just has little dogs and a little sleigh. It's like a dog dressed up as a reindeer. So adorable. So I'm definitely gonna be bringing that, probably just to like wear after the park whenever I don't feel like wearing the clothes that I was wearing throughout the day. It's just an easy t-shirt. Then I have a sweatshirt that I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with. This is my Holly Jolly Christmas sweatshirt, and it just says it in this little pink and green font. Yeah, it's just a cozy sweatshirt. I haven't worn that this year yet, so I'm excited to wear that. Then this is actually brand new. My sister and I got this from Francesca's a few weeks ago, and it's like the perfect addition to like your holiday clothes. So this is a little candy cane pink sweatshirt, and it just has some buttons down the middle, and it's cropped. But guys, isn't this the most adorable thing that you've ever seen for the holidays? Like just to wear this on Christmas with some jeans. And it just has candy canes everywhere. So I'm gonna bring this. I think I'm either gonna wear it with my Lululemon leggings, or if it's too hot, I'll pair it with my jean shorts. For clothes, next up I have this outfit. I wear this a lot whenever I go, but this is just some black Lululemon biker shorts, and then I have this Walt Disney Studios crew neck, and it says Hyperion Avenue Hollywood, and this is from the Disney 100 collection. I got this about a year ago, and I love wearing it whenever it's a little bit colder in Orlando. It doesn't happen too often, but it's just the perfect thing to wear because Orlando doesn't get like freezing, but it can still get kind of chilly at night, and that crew neck's just like the perfect amount of thickness. It's not too thick to where you're sweating, but it's not gonna leave you too cold. Then I just have two t-shirts. I try to bring my Disney themed ones. So this one is a Mickey Mouse one, and it's a thick pink t-shirt. This thing is so thick, and it just says Walt Disney's Mickey Mouse. I got this at Animal Kingdom about 2 years ago, and it was like right before it went away and it never came back, so I'm really lucky that I got that one. And then I just have this Epcot 1982 t-shirt that I literally wear all the time. This isn't necessarily Christmas themed, but on the last Disney trip that I went on, I decided to buy a shirt in the Pooh Bear gift shop in Magic Kingdom, and I thought the shirt was so adorable. It is basically just this peplum top with a green little pattern. It kind of looks like a picnic table pattern, and on it, it just has like Pooh Bear, Tigger, a little bumblebee. So it just has like Eeyore and Tigger and Pooh Bear and then like a bumblebee, and I just think it's so adorable. And then I'm gonna pair it with these white jean shorts. I never even mentioned the weather, but honestly, it's not gonna be too cold because it's December in Orlando. It's not freezing. So I'll probably still have to wear like some short sleeve things and shorts. I cannot bring all long sleeve things or else I will be dying. It's gonna be like the 80s to like the 60s at night, 50s and 60s at night. Next up, we have another sweater that's still kind of Christmas themed. I recently got this sweater from Shein, and it's just a button-up red sweater, but it's the most gorgeous red. Like, just look at the comparison with this red sweater and this one. I just love this shade of red. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna pair this sweater with this white cami that I can just wear underneath it, and then I'll probably wear that with either my jean shorts or my white Lululemon tennis skirt, and it's a pleated skirt, so I would just pair that with the red sweater, but I'm gonna decide that later what bottoms I want to wear with it. And then I just have 2 pairs of sleeve shorts. These are gray, these are black, just in case it's cold, because I think it's supposed to be like substantially colder on the day that we drive home. I'm going to bring my Taylor Swift The Eras Tour blue crew neck. Love this thing so much, and it's so cozy, so hopefully I'll get to wear that on the way home. I also just have this pistachio green tennis dress. You probably remember this from over the summer when I went to Disney. This is from Aerie. Looks like this. It's just a tennis dress, and I'm going to pair it with these pistachio green ears because they're literally the exact same color, and that's another outfit that I can wear just in case it's super hot during the day. Then we just have a ton of socks, just some Nike socks, some more Nike socks, some other random white socks that I have, and then I'm going to bring my Mickey Mouse crew socks. These are my favorite, and they go so well with stuff, and it just has the really cute little detail with Mickey Mouse on it. And then I'm just going to be bringing 2 extra workout tops. This is just a Lululemon tank top and then a Lululemon blue t-shirt, just in case, you know, at night sometimes you don't feel like wearing the stuff that you've worn all day and you just feel gross. You want to just like change your shirt at night, so I always bring some backup options. So next up, let's go through the ears that I'm going to be bringing super quickly because this is a really fun part. So first up, we have these peppermint ears, and it just has like a fuzzy detailing, a sequin bow in the center, a peppermint in the center, and then down the side it's kind of like the green peppermint pattern. These are brand new, obviously you can tell with the tag. I got these last year and I haven't worn them yet. Hopefully I get to wear those. Then we have these snowflake ones, and it has a green sequin bow in the center. Then we have these Mickey Mouse ones. I think that these are so adorable, like just so cute. Fuzzy black little puffs as the ears, and then it just has this center bow right here. We have these ones that say Merry and Bright. It just has like a plaid center and then sequin ears. We have the iconic black and white polka dot ones. And then we have these peppermint ones, peppermint sequin pattern, and then a green sequin bow in the center. And this on the headband says Candy Cane Cutie. So those are all of my holiday themed Mickey ears. Obviously I'm not going to be bringing every single one of those, so I just want to like go through them and then select which ones I want to bring. There's actually a cardigan at Disney that I really want. It has little Mickeys down the center that are the buttons, and it's a Christmas cardigan, so I would really want to pair that with either these or these, possibly even these since I haven't worn them yet. So I think I'm gonna bring probably just these 2, and if I get that cardigan then I'll pair it with one of these. It's literally so adorable. I don't know where it's sold or anything, but I've just seen a few influencers and people on TikTok wearing it, so hopefully I'll find it somewhere. So those are all of my ears. I already told you about those pistachio green ones that I'm bringing as well. So now let's very quickly go through my shoes. We have these Santa slippers. Obviously I have to bring these just to like wear around the cabin. It's so much easier than bringing a bunch of socks to wear around like your hotel. I said cabin. I'm staying at the Fort Wilderness. That was probably confusing if you don't know, but typically when I go to Disney World I stay at the Fort Wilderness Resort and Campground, and they just have like cabins, so it's not technically like a hotel room that you traditionally would stay at if you went to Disney World. Then I have my absolute favorite pair of Hokas. You've seen these a bajillion times on my channel, but always have to bring my Hokas. Next up, we have my chunky white tennis shoes. These just go with everything. They're huge and they're bulky and they take up a ton of space, but I love them because they match every single outfit that you put together. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna bring these yet. I'm debating, but I have these black tennis shoes. These are new. They're from Shein. I got them maybe like a few months back. And to me, some of my outfits would look better with black tennis shoes instead of white, so that's why I'm contemplating whether or not I should bring them. And that's it for my shoes. Now let's go over my makeup and my toiletries. We have my makeup headband. This is just for when I do my skincare and my makeup routine. Makeup is super simple because I got this little makeup kit over the summer from Amazon, and it just looks like this. You open it up and all of your makeup products are already stored in here. Everything is separated by little dividers, so I already have all of that ready to go. I don't have to pack anything. I can just throw this in my suitcase. Then here's my giant bin of toiletries. We can go through all of this super quickly. I have it all packed, but I'm gonna make sure I have everything. We have hair mask whenever I wash my hair, Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. Then I have makeup remover wipes plus cotton balls. I have my tongue scraper for when I brush my teeth. Then I have some TheraBreath mouthwash. I have a toothbrush, flossers. I have my retainer. I have my eyelash travel perfume. I have a makeup remover for like my eye makeup. Then I have face wash. I have moisturizer. I have a shower cap. We have deodorant, scissors, a razor. This is my favorite body moisturizer. Then we have my hairbrush. Then in this little eyelash makeup bag, I have just some hair accessories. So we have like a claw clip. We have a hair wax stick. This is my day styling cream for slick backs. I'm also bringing these fun little clips just in case I want to do with my hair and then style them. I have a little comb, some ponytail holders. I just have these 2 little headbands that I've been loving recently. And then I have 3 bows, 2 satin ones, and then this one is just like white ribbon. I decided to move spots just to switch things up, but now here is my jewelry case, and inside it's very disorganized, but I just have necklaces, earrings, rings, bracelets, everything you could think of, and it fits in this small little box. Next up, we have 2 different belt bags. This is my white Mickey Mouse one. This is my black Lululemon one. It just depends on the outfit as to which one I wear that day. Inside of this one, I just have gum, lip gloss, Tic Tacs, all the fun stuff. And this one, I really don't have anything besides like a poncho, and then I have this magic band because that's how I get into the parks. Then I have my tripod for my phone, just in case I want to film anything. And then I have 2 pairs of sunglasses. One of them is brown and the other ones are black. So next up, I have my charging bag. This is just full of various chargers for every single device I own. And then I just have my MacBook because obviously I have to bring this. I'm gonna bring this in a separate backpack. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So here's my backpack. It's just this boring white backpack, and I'll just stuff all my electronics in it. I'm also gonna bring like my JBL speaker, and I'll also put that in there. And then lastly, I have my snowflake blanket that I'm just going to be bringing along with me because obviously I need a cozy Christmas blanket. So now it's officially time to pack everything in my suitcase and my backpack. So let's get started with that. I put you guys in like my little ring and jewelry holder, so if you start shifting, I'm sorry, I'll try to fix it if I see it happening. Now I officially packed everything into my suitcase and my backpack, as you guys saw in the time lapse. So now it is time for me to paint my nails, and I thought it would be fun if I chatted with you guys while I did it. I always used to love painting my nails white, and that was my favorite color to paint them. But after I went to the Olivia Rodrigo concert in March, and like I experimented with black nail polish, I've loved it ever since, and I just feel like it's the best color on my hands. I don't know, it matches my hair color obviously, so I just feel like it goes so well together. So I kind of ditched the white nail polish and I've been painting them black the majority of 2024. I barely paint my nails, but honestly it doesn't even take that long. Like, look at that. I essentially just did an entire hand in like a minute. Plus I'm not the best at painting them because I'm not very good at coloring inside the lines, so I just kind of like do it, and then the excess will wash off whenever I wash my hands and take showers. Guys, when I was packing my suitcase, I didn't realize how much room like sweaters and long sleeves and stuff like that take in a suitcase. So my suitcase was a little packed, and I just kind of had to make it work and force it shut, and it worked. If I need to add anything in later, I might have some difficulty. But yeah, I can't believe, I really don't know what week I'm going to be uploading this video. So it'll either be super close to Christmas Eve or like getting close to Christmas Eve. I still have to figure out when I'm going to upload what. But this is actually like a Thanksgiving trip when I'm recording this. Obviously it'll be much later once I actually edit and upload it. This is a Thanksgiving trip, but still like the holidays are in full swing at Disney, and they have all of the decorations up and stuff like that. Even though it's Thanksgiving, they still have everything ready to go. Now we just have to let them dry. But anywho, I was talking about Christmas Eve. Sorry, I completely got off topic, but I hope you guys are getting ready for Christmas Eve. I hope you are ordering all of your Christmas gifts and everything is going smoothly. I hope that my video a few weeks ago kind of helped out with that. If you haven't seen it, I have over 105 Christmas gift ideas and wish list ideas for you guys, and I made it into an entire video, so I will pop up a link in the corner of this video and you guys can go and check that out if you need some help. But yeah, I hope everything is going smoothly and I hope that you have a fantastic Christmas season. I'm super excited for this trip, and I hope that during your holiday season you maybe get to go on a trip or just spend some quality time with your loved ones. And I think we're done painting my nails. I just kind of have to let them dry because it's only been like 2 minutes. Here's the completed look. And with that, that is everything that I'm packing for this fun holiday trip. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me get everything together and just making sure that I have everything. I am really, really looking forward to this trip because it's just one of the best feelings ever, like walking into Magic Kingdom and seeing the holiday decorations. It's an indescribable feeling every single year, so I'm so excited to go back and see everything. If you like this week's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to hit that subscribe button down there so that you do not miss out on all of my brand new content every single week. I love you guys all so much. Thank you so much for being here and for watching this week's video. I hope you're having a great Christmas season so far, and I will see you all in next week's video.